Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and this is going to be an unboxing video for the AMD Ryzen 5 3600X processor. Now this happens to be a 3rd gen processor and is PCIe Gen 4 ready. PCIe Gen 4 is a lot faster, approximately twice of PCIe Gen 3, and that helps a lot because AMD's Infinity Fabric is based on PCIe. Now, flipping the box over to its side, we can see a little window through which the processor can be seen. We can read AMD Ryzen 5 3600X. That's how you confirm you're getting the thing that you're paying for if you're buying this from a retail store. On the back, we have a little more information. It says it uses the Zen 2 architecture and is compatible with the AMD socket AM4. You have a lot more information regarding the warranty and some additional info regarding the features that are present. And on the other side, we have a little diagram, or rather a photo of the cooler that is included within the box. Now that's about it for the packaging. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. There you go. First up is a little booklet which includes the installation instructions for the processor for AMD FM2, AM3, AM4 and all the other processors that AMD comes out with. Aside from this, we have a little plastic packaging, and underneath that we can see the processor itself. It comes with a little sticker which states Ryzen 5 because this is a Ryzen 5 processor. And lastly, we have the AMD Wraith cooler. Again, the 3600X comes packaged with a cooler, so you don't have to go and buy another one. And in this case, the cooler is mounted using spring-loaded screws. There are 4 of them, and comes with a 4-pin fan cable. It has a pretty beefy aluminum heatsink and comes pre-applied with thermal paste. Put that on the side, and when handling processors, always remember to not touch the sensitive contacts on the underside. There are 2 ridges or recesses on the side which allow you to easily pick up the processor by the edges, and you can avoid touching the golden pins underside. So that was it for the unboxing of the AMD Ryzen 5 3600X processor. This was a Zen 2 AM4 processor. Thank you for watching.